What is up, Mike?
Hello, we're here.
We're looking at your beautiful McLaren that you have here.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it is pretty nice. Unfortunately, I'm not going to tell everybody that I bought this car, so. This is so like, I'm actually using my 4 instead of my 5. The 5's in the car.
Yeah, you're
and
old school go.
Yeah, I'm running old school. I always like the 4. The 4 is always a really
always
good.
better than the 5.
Yeah, I think so. I like the 5 except for the sound
Well, you gotta
quality.
try the new 7.
I know, I do want to get a 7.
Right.
I do want to get a 7. I'm going to go right past 6 and just get a 7
Yeah,
at this
skip
point.
6, honestly.
Yeah. So what we're doing today is we're going to race. Actually, we're not racing anything. I'm actually
wish.
gonna.
I wish.
Mike wants to race.
Andy refuses to race.
No, I will race you. Trust me.
Talks all this shit, and I'm
I
like,
just dude, I need
where you
tires,
at?
man.
Where you at?
I'm here now.
Where you at?
I'm
All
here.
right. Well, Mexico's only a beep away. 3 beeps,
3 beeps away.
So let's go.
I wish I could, but
I even offered you tires.
Yeah, he did actually offer me some 19-inch
anything you need.
wheels, but they're just but we'd have to get wheels. We got to get the tires put on and everything.
Yeah.
That's a lot of work.
87 octane gasoline.
Oh, 87.
Yep.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
and diesel fuel as well.
E87. So. That's what I need. That's why I need those right there.
I'm telling you.
But I don't have a 15-inch wheel yet, so they're not going to really help me too much. You know what I mean?
I've tried my best to help you, but if you're not going to, at least make an effort.
I can't do it. I want to show you why I can't do it. So we're going to go for a ride in Ghost. I'm actually going to take Mike for a ride in Ghost.
I'm not going to lie, guys. I was slightly terrified by this. And, you know, I mean, I like cars as much as the next guy, and I wasn't. I mean, I was just, I don't know. I don't know. I'm nervous.
I've heard that Mike's not a good passenger.
I'm not, I like to be the one driving, and I mean, there's certain people like Troy.
Yeah.
I'll get in his car all day long.
You saying you don't trust me?
No, I
what do you
trust
mean?
you.
Oh, you're like
I think
you.
It's the car too. I don't know.
It's only 1,030 horsepower.
I'm aware.
That's all it is, and we're not even going to hit that. We'll probably hit like 600 horsepower.
Okay.
And it won't be that bad.
Just like I told you, Chipotle. Just remember, I make money off of this face. So don't ruin it. I need my face. Don't disfigure me too much.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Nobody's gonna
Listen, I
watch
wrecked one of these before. I know how to do it.
Why do you think I'm nervous?
I lived. Airbags went off. We're good. This still has its airbag, so we're still good here.
Here we go. I guess we're on the way.
We're on the way. There's the good old McLaren.
Old Greenie.
One of these days, I'm gonna have a Ferrari just like you.
Yeah, Ferraris are sweet.
I do like Ferraris. Better than these guys, though.
Ferrari 488s are sweet.
Dude, I love them, man. I love them.
Yeah. Yeah, they got the new Active Aero. Ferraris have
that. Yeah.
Vertical doors too. They started doing.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's nice.
You know, they were realizing they were losing so many sales to that. What's up? It starts with an M. McDonald's brand. Because their doors go up.
Oh, okay.
So
they wanted to be special like McDonald's.
Get on that market.
Oh, I see.
So,
all right, so listen, you're going to hear a lot of loud noises and bangs and tweaks and stuff like that, but it is a 20-plus-year-old car.
Okay.
So
I got to say, though, it's really nice in here.
It is, yeah. I've kept it in really good shape.
Really good shape, yeah.
Hopefully we have enough of gas this time.
I was going to say, does your gas gauge work?
Kind of, sort of.
I'm reserving my reactions for video.
Okay.
I am still slightly terrified. But as you get to here or there, there's there's some rattling going on in here. I don't know necessarily what's happening.
Listen, nothing's gonna fall off.
Okay,
I hope.
As long as nothing falls off. It sounds good. I can hear you coming from a mile away.
It doesn't really sound that loud inside though.
No, it really isn't that loud. Which is kind of surprising considering your exhaust is
like right there.
And the roof is very similar to the 720. This is exactly what it looks like, and I'm not joking. This is exactly what the 720 looks like. And everyone asks when I go to car shows and shit, people are like, oh, does it have T-tops? Because it looks like it's got the glass and the door comes up out of it. Oh, and I see the little keyhole there.
Yeah, I keep them locked. I've had friends of mine back in the day, they could put girls in their car and stuff, and the girl would be like, oh, what's this handle? At 70 miles an hour on the highway, and that T-top goes flying. Dude, it goes right, it's gone. Like, it's gone forever.
It's good GM design that it can be open at speed.
So I keep mine locked.
Yeah. This could be my last upload, so I should really think of some good things to say. I mean, it's been a great run. I've had a tremendous amount of fun for the last 4 years.
Yeah, it's been good.
Met
It's
some
been a good
awesome
time.
people, changed my life, and you know, hopefully I was able to give back to a lot of people and help their channels grow and get people into it, because it's one of the most fun things I've ever done. So that's my message to you guys. You know, I appreciate all your support that you've given me over the years, and you know, it's really been great. It's really been great. But I am anxious to see how fast it is.
It's not fast, it's violent.
Now, is there a traction control button in here?
Fuck no.
No, none of that, alright.
There's no traction,
Too old for
wheelie,
that.
drift.
It's not that old of a car. I was thinking it still had the traction
Well,
control.
some models did, just not this model. 'Cause this model's the man model.
Oh god.
You can anticipate the fun, you know?
We got a guard. We have a concrete divider and a guardrail.
Well, we'll stay on the road at least.
Yeah, but there's also a massive cliff off to the right.
Well,
so
we ain't
please
gonna go
don't crash.
over. Yeah, we're not gonna go over.
Please, when you crash, don't go to the right. Go left.
Go. Oh, okay.
I would rather take my chances of oncoming traffic. No, because then we might hurt
You
someone else.
can't, because
Go
there's a
right.
wall there.
Go right. Go over the wall.
We're gonna be like, rest in peace, StreetSpeed717.
This is it.
Rest in peace. That's gonna be all the comments. Take it easy here.
Here we go. I'm ready.
It's just gonna spin. So.
It does spin. It spins right away. As soon as you
right, dude. The minute it hits like 42, it's just whoop. That's when it revs real high. That's all it does. That's its only function.
It's kind of scary. It makes like a big noise.
Start to spin there a little bit too.
You can feel that it's got some power.
That's like half throttle, dude. That's not even like getting into it. It's just
I think
a little bit, you know.
It's gonna be slow.
Nah, you're wrong, dude. You're wrong.
It's gonna be nasty if you actually would
We'll
get
turn
into
around
boost,
and
because
come back down.
you're cutting out as soon as you're in boost.
Yeah, because it's it's kind of like one of those
Is
things
there
like
any roll you can do where it doesn't spin?
first, second, but it still spins. Like it's less horsepower down there, but more torque. What it is, it's
crazy.
It's the amount of torque that comes in so fast.
Yeah,
Like it just it comes in
Blows
stupid
tires
crazy.
off.
Yeah, stupid crazy.
All right. Now we got a nice downhill. Oh, yeah. I want to actually get a good pull in it, because I want to see how fast it is. I mean, I feel like it's gonna be pretty quick.
Yeah, but that's like that was first, second, third, and it's just it starts making boost, it's over.
This is definitely a more old school big turbo car. Like it doesn't
Yeah.
have any anti-lag. It doesn't have any.
Yeah. And the billet wheels definitely helping.
And you don't have boost by gear, so you're just getting fucked in every gear.
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm trying to get him to go boost by gear. It really help.
Yeah.
But he doesn't want to. He likes to live on the edge, man.
I want to live vicariously through drag racers on the street, you know. Well, one good thing is it hasn't caught on fire yet, so.
Yeah, we're not on fire. That's
Yeah,
good.
we're not on fire, so. All right, we are back. Street Speed's PAP Cap. I'm really happy that you're a part of the group here.
Okay.
You know, the PAP Cap group. It looks a little higher than your roof, though.
It's a little higher.
A little tall there.
Well, because
boss.
it's up on this.
Oh, you got that.
So
yeah,
mine
well,
has
mine
that
has that too. I mean,
Does it really?
yeah, mine has that.
It's sweet though. I mean, I can't believe I found the same color as the truck.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But it makes the truck look a million times bigger.
It does.
A million times bigger. That's why I love mine so much. It just makes it look fucking huge.
Yeah.
It's great.
I mean, I'm definitely gonna keep it on for the winter. So.
Yeah. I don't think you're gonna take it back off again.
Who knows?
Honestly, I think you'll keep it on.
It's really nice to have. That's for sure.
It's convenient because you put stuff in there, lock it up, walk away. Don't even have to worry about it. Nah, that's not fitting in there, dude.
You don't think?
No.
I think it will.
Maybe if you take the suspension and the wheels off.
I'm not gonna be speedy. So I think it'll fit. I mean,
It's
I'll
not.
just have to sit on it when it goes in.
It's not.
You really don't think so?
I'll
I
put
mean,
money
you can-
on it.
I mean, you can, if you sit on it, you can lower it like a good 6 inches.
Dude, that's not fitting in there.
I think it will.
It's not
No,
fitting
I'll
in
do
there.
that right now. I'll bet you $100 I can get it.
I bet you $100 it ain't. I mean, I'm sure you can get it in,
$100.
but I bet you $100 it's not going in like that.
I mean, here, my tailgate's probably this tall,
Mm-hmm.
and then the rear window is going to be like
About,
this.
dude, it's not getting in there. There's no way. There's no way. It's impossible. It's been fun.
It has been fun.
I'm glad I beat your McChicken over there.
Never happened. Alright. I'm ready to race anytime.
Dude, it's gonna happen. Don't worry. It's gonna happen.
And I'm not the one who started this shit.
No, I didn't start.
Both. You guys are all, fucking, I'll beat you, and then where you at? You know.
I'm here.
Yeah, but
We didn't race.
I'm ready to go.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get wheels and tires, and then we're gonna come back up, and we're gonna do some damage to this thing, and make you cry a little bit. You know, it'll be a good time.
You better bring your end game, bud.
A, B, C, and D game.
Okay.
And all the boost.
All
right, bye.
All right, see you, buddy. It was fun.
Yep, see ya.
Glad we didn't get arrested.
Yeah, well, for the first time, right? Almost close. Yeah, almost close. All right, guys, it's probably a little dark in the car. I'm actually heading home right now from Mike's house. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just I wanted to give him a little ride. You know, I wanted to show him that this thing does nothing but spin. And until I get some good tires on this car, you know, it's really worthless for me to run him in Mexico. I will run him in Mexico, and I honestly believe that when push comes to shove, this car is probably going to walk all over him, just because of the amount of boost that I'm pushing and the power that I'm making with that boost. That's a big, giant piece of machinery for pavement. I don't know if you guys can see that out the back window. But yeah, guys, I think it's going to be I'm going to give him a good run for his money when this car is fully ready to go and has some good old drag radials on it, and I can take it down to Mexico and make things happen. It's getting a little colder in Mexico right now, so it's going to be hard to get some traction, but I think with some good stickies we'll be just fine. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Performance Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Performance Racing.